Hi, I'm Marilyn, owner of Island Fresh Skincare and a third generation soap maker with roots in the deep south of Georgia. I celebrate those roots because without them, I wouldn't be where I am today. You see, my grandmother and aunts made soap out of necessity. We do it differently today. We do it to control what's on our skin. I am honored to be a presenter for the first ever virtual soap summit, but we're going to talk about more than just soap. My role at the summit will be candle making. Before I embraced making soap, I learned to make candles. In the early 2000s, when soy wax came on the scene and everybody abandoned paraffin because they were looking for more natural products. So I decided to learn how to make soy candles. Believe me, what I was told, oh, melt the wax, add the fragrance, pour it in the jar, light it tomorrow, is not the way it should be done. Took a while, but I figured it out. So we're going to talk about candles, how to select a wax, how to select your wick, and how to have a product that hopefully you will get the best results in terms of the fragrance. I am so grateful for Zakia, who has the knowledge and education to bring this conference to us all, that we can share our collective experiences, that we can learn from each other, and we can help you decide whether or not being an entrepreneur is something that you want to embrace and maybe give a shot. Because if you're going to do it and do it successfully, you will need to learn how to brace technology. Can you tell? This is not my thing, being on camera, but I'm embracing it. I'm learning how to enjoy it. It's taken me a while to get there, but I'm moving forward with it. So please join us, enjoy, learn from us. We want to make it easier for you than our road because all of this wasn't available to us. I'm looking forward to learning from the ladies who will be making lotions, from the sister who will be talking about packaging, from Zakia, who I've learned so much from about being in front of the camera, and the other ladies who embrace being in front of the camera. And as a soap maker who has been making soap, not as long as I've been making candles, I'm looking forward to learning new things about soap. I've never done a high top, but after this class, I will. So thank you for signing up and coming to our first ever virtual soap summit. Remember, we are going to be more than just soap. And I will see you on Saturday, April 11th at 11:45 or 11:15 for Intro to Candle Making. Have a great day.